Hello kiddos, welcome back to my one more new video. Today we are going to learn about 10 birds' name in English. So let's go. The first one is parrot. Parrot. Parrot is a colorful bird that can talk and mimic human sounds. It loves to eat fruits, nuts and seeds. Parrots are friendly and often kept as pets around the world. This is pigeon. Pigeon. The pigeon is a gentle bird that lives in cities and villages. It can fly long distances and always find its way home. In old times, people used pigeon to send messages. This is sparrow. Sparrow. The sparrow is a small and cute brown bird. It chirps sweetly in the morning and can be found near homes and gardens. Sparrows live happily in groups and build tiny nests. This is peacock. Peacock. The peacock is a beautiful bird known for its colorful feathers. It is the national bird of India and dances when it rains. The male peacock spreads its tail like a fan to show its beauty. This is owl. Owl. The owl is a bird that stays awake at night and sleeps during the day. It has big eyes and can see clearly in the dark. Owls are very wise and help control insects and small animals. This is eagle. Eagle. The eagle is a strong bird with sharp eyes and powerful wings. It flies high in the sky and hunts from above. Eagles are symbols of strength and wisdom. This is duck. Duck. The duck lives near ponds, lakes and rivers. It has a flat back and webbed feet that help it to swim. Ducks makes a funny quacking sound and love to play in the water. Owl. This is hen. Hen. The hen is a farm bird that gives us eggs. It has soft feathers and looks after its baby chicks with care. People raise hen for food and farming. This is kingfisher. Kingfisher. The kingfisher is a small bird with bright blue and orange feathers. It catches fish from rivers or ponds with its sharp beak. Kingfishers are quick and beautiful to watch near water. This is one of my favorite. This is penguin. Penguin. The penguin is a bird that cannot fly but can swim very well. It lives in cold places and works in a funny way. Penguins love to slide on the ice and live together in large groups. Well done kiddos. So today we have learned 10 birds' name in English. So if you love this video, give a like and subscribe my channel for more fun learning videos like this. Till then, bye-bye. Take care, stay safe and stay healthy. And wishing you a happy new year and Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.